Your IELTS score will depend on how accurately you use verb tenses, so it's necessary to master these three most important verb tenses before taking the IELTS exam. The first most important verb tense to master is the present simple. The present simple is very helpful in IELTS when you go into details about things that are always true. This means that it can be used to talk about your current situation, like I work in a big company. Your daily routine. I listen to music every afternoon. Your opinion. America is a beautiful place to live. And your feelings. I feel comfortable around my friends. This tense makes it easier for you when talking about yourself and answering IELTS questions about your personal information, your work or studies, and your hobbies and interests, since these will all require facts. In addition, the simple present tense is also used to give instructions or directions. Like in these examples, the people must submit to their government. Go along the street until you reach the traffic lights. This can be very useful for answering questions about how to do something or how to get somewhere. Finally, the simple present tense is often used when describing something. The main actor wears a fake mustache. The second most important verb tense to master in IELTS is the past simple. The past simple is used when you are describing something that is only true in the past, like my sister traveled to Singapore last year, or an action that is already completed. Our manufacturing company in San Diego created a new product. The past simple verb tense is very helpful in IELTS exam when you are asked to answer personal questions about your past, compare some things in the past and present, and describe a past experience. The third most important verb tense to master for the IELTS is the present continuous. This is because the tense is not only used to indicate current situations, like I'm wearing my favorite shirt, but also to indicate future plans. I am meeting David later for lunch. And actions in progress. I am studying to become a doctor. There are several opportunities to use this tense. If asked about your upcoming plans or ongoing activities, present continuous is your friend, so it's important to master it. Now, aside from verb tenses, you also need to pay attention to how you write your essay. In this video here, you'll learn the step-by-step process of writing an essay from scratch. We'll cover writing a thesis statement, an introduction, body paragraphs, and the conclusion.